The job description of a commercial manager revolves around overseeing business development strategies, financial planning, and contract management to ensure that a company achieves its commercial objectives. These professionals serve as strategic partners within an organization, balancing financial viability with long-term growth. Their role bridges the gap between operational execution and business profitability, making them crucial for companies seeking to expand market share and sustain revenue streams. Commercial managers operate across a range of industries including construction, manufacturing, retail, logistics, engineering, healthcare, and telecommunications. They are typically responsible for leading pricing strategies, evaluating business risks, negotiating contracts, and analyzing financial data to maximize profitability. Whether working in a multinational corporation or a mid-sized enterprise, their impact is seen in both day-to-day transactions and long-term strategic planning. At the core of the job description of a commercial manager lies the responsibility of ensuring that all business transactions are profitable, efficient, and compliant with relevant policies or regulations. They supervise commercial operations by conducting market analysis, monitoring trends, managing budgets, and advising senior leadership on the financial implications of strategic decisions. Their work helps align company goals with market opportunities while minimizing potential losses or risks. Strategic responsibilities and financial oversight. Commercial managers are directly involved in shaping the revenue model of a business. They assess current business performance, review forecasts, and identify new business opportunities to boost income. By analyzing profitability metrics, cost structures, and market positioning, they make informed recommendations on pricing strategies, procurement choices, and revenue diversification. They often collaborate with the finance and sales departments to set financial targets, monitor performance indicators, and develop long-term commercial strategies. These strategies may include entering new markets, renegotiating supplier contracts, or enhancing product or service offerings to gain a competitive edge. Budget management is a significant part of their responsibilities. Commercial managers oversee project or departmental budgets, ensuring resources are allocated efficiently and financial objectives are met. They are also tasked with preparing financial reports, tracking variances, and offering corrective solutions in case of budgetary discrepancies. Midway through the job description of a commercial manager, the importance of negotiation and contract management becomes clear. A substantial part of their role involves drafting, evaluating, and negotiating commercial contracts with vendors, partners, or clients. Their goal is to secure favorable terms while managing risks and maintaining compliance with industry regulations and company policies. Leadership, coordination, and compliance. Commercial managers act as key decision-makers within project teams and often supervise commercial analysts, coordinators, or junior managers. Their leadership ensures that cross-functional teams work cohesively towards shared business goals. They set performance benchmarks, review KPIs, and provide mentorship to staff under their supervision. In addition to internal coordination, commercial managers serve as a liaison between their organization and external stakeholders. This includes customers, contractors, suppliers, legal consultants, and regulatory bodies. Effective communication and stakeholder management are therefore essential to building trust and sustaining business partnerships. Risk assessment and mitigation are vital components of this role. Commercial managers evaluate legal, operational, and financial risks before entering agreements or launching initiatives. They also work closely with legal teams to ensure all contracts and business deals align with local laws and corporate governance standards. This oversight helps prevent potential disputes and ensures long-term sustainability. Quality assurance and performance monitoring are often under their scope as well. They track contract performance, vendor compliance, and customer satisfaction, using these insights to make data-driven improvements in commercial processes. Their ability to interpret analytics and adjust strategies accordingly makes them invaluable assets to any performance-driven organization. Essential skills and qualifications. To succeed in this role, a commercial manager must possess a strong foundation in business finance, strategic planning, and stakeholder management. Analytical thinking is paramount, as they must interpret complex financial reports, market data, and operational metrics to support sound decision-making. Communication skills are equally critical. Commercial managers must articulate complex ideas clearly in meetings, reports, and negotiations. They need to be persuasive yet diplomatic, particularly when navigating conflicting interests among departments or external parties. Leadership capabilities are important for managing teams and driving performance. Commercial managers should inspire trust, demonstrate accountability, and foster collaboration among cross-functional teams. Their ability to resolve conflict and maintain a results-oriented work culture is key to commercial success. Technical proficiency in tools such as Microsoft Excel, SAP, Oracle, CRM software, and financial modeling platforms is often expected. In some industries, familiarity with project management software, procurement platforms, or data visualization tools like Power BI or Tableau adds significant value. Problem-solving and decision-making skills enable them to address challenges swiftly and confidently. Whether renegotiating supplier terms due to rising costs or adjusting a product launch timeline based on new market data, commercial managers must act decisively. Educationally, a bachelor's degree in business administration, finance, economics, commerce, or a related field is typically required. Many employers also prefer candidates with a master's degree, e.g., MBA, or industry certifications in commercial management, project management, or finance. Industry application and work environment. In construction, commercial managers focus on project profitability, procurement contracts, cost controls, and compliance with construction regulations. In manufacturing, they may work on sourcing strategies, production budgeting, and supplier negotiations. In telecommunications or technology sectors, the focus often shifts to partnership management, licensing agreements, and long-term service contracts. Work environments are generally office-based, but some roles, particularly in construction, engineering, or energy, may involve on-site visits and client meetings. The position is generally full-time and may occasionally require extended hours to meet deadlines, particularly during financial reviews or project negotiations. Because they interact with both internal teams and external parties, commercial managers must be adaptable and culturally aware, especially in global organizations. Their ability to navigate international contracts and work within diverse regulatory frameworks is a highly sought-after skill. Conclusion: the job description of a commercial manager highlights a role that is both financially strategic and operationally grounded. From managing complex contracts and budgets to driving commercial growth and ensuring compliance, commercial managers serve as key influences in shaping a company's success. Their analytical mindset, commercial acumen, and leadership qualities allow them to make data-driven decisions that balance profit, performance, and sustainability. As organizations continue to seek efficiency and competitive advantage in dynamic markets, commercial managers will remain indispensable professionals who turn commercial vision into actionable results.